Microsoft Excel. So calculations, different types, different type calculation, example 1, example 2, example 3. Say the calculation, how to do the easy way. So you can understand here. Population distribution, one example. Single payment loan, one example. Monthly cash flow, one example. The first province, area, population, total percentage, density. So now say here this total, find out the total. Just you keep the cursor on here. Say equal sum, auto sum or equal sum. Say highlighted that part. So then press enter. So likewise, then copy this. From this one, say you can copy this. Say then percentage, population, total of population divided by every province. So this one divided by this total. So then this one divided by this total. So you can use the copy command. So the fixed value 24,700. Absolute value. Because we are going to use the copy command. So equal. So this one minus this total. Fixed D12. Function key F4. Single fixed. So then press enter. So then copy up to here. So now highlight the whole thing. Say go to percentage. How many decimals? I put 2 decimals. So the next one, density. Population divided by area. Population divided by area. So the equal. This one divided by this. Then enter. Then copy this. Put the comma sign. It's coming like this way. So this is an example 1. So the next one, single payment loan. Example 2. Assume 1 year, 365 days. Principal 1,700, 1,400, 4,000, 5,000. Interest rate given here. So the terms, number of days. equal 1000 into interest rate into 100 divided by 365. Then going to copy. So fixed value 365. Function key F4, single fixed, then enter. So now copy this. So then 2 decimal. Total amount due, principal plus interest due equal 1000 plus this one. So then copy this. Find out the total amount due, interest due, given here principal, interest rate, terms. So example 3. Example 3. Monthly cash flow. Right. Say 1300 January to June. Balance brought forward. Receipt 400. Payment 300. So this one 1300 brought forward from December last year. Say how to do this one. Equal 1300 plus 400 minus 300. Then enter. Once again, 1300 plus 400 minus 300. Then enter. So this 1400, January carried forward, balance carried forward to the February, then February to the March, so the March to the April, April to May, May to June. So then copy this. Just copy this one, the same calculation. Say then this February, January total, bring it on here. So keep it on cursor here, equal, then 1400, enter. So likewise, you can copy this one. It's coming like this. Right? So you practice this. So the different calculations, different way, different copy command, fixed values, single fixed, how to fix that, everything. So you understood. So you practice like this way. Later, you can meet on another Excel program.